your cerebellum, the brain, you feel air is going from here to here, all the body. You can feel vibration. Okay? We do 10 round, 15 round. Relax. Feel subtle vibration in your body, lightness and positive energy. Inhale, exhale slowly. Concentrate on your breathing. Now, we close our neck and abdomen and also anus. Contraction of the anus and contraction of the abdominal muscles, also neck, like this. Inhale, exhale, then contraction. First anus, then neck, then abdomen. Inhale and exhale. You can retain 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, do once more. In beginning, you can do 3 rounds. We did external retention. Now we do internal retention. Inhale and don't exhale. Retain, hold and exhale. This exercise will help, pranayama will help to control our sensory organs and minds. It's very important. Because first of all, we have to control our motor organ, then we have to control our sensory organ, then we can control our mind. After controlling mind, you go beyond the mind and body, you go in your consciousness. You can do meditation. Okay? Now close your right nostrils. Inhale from left without sound. Close your left nostril. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Without holding, without retention, exhale from left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now you can see your both nostrils are running, left and right. It's called Ida, Pingala, and if run both, run the Sushumna. Now you have the capacity to do meditation. You can close your eyes softly, or you can remain open, half open, softly. Relax your whole the body. If you want, you can come in sleeping position, or you can do in sitting position. If you feel comfortable sitting, you can do sitting. But you have to do with comfortably. Keep your body on the floor like a statue, and don't move your body parts, your legs, your arm, your fingers, your face. Become like a statue. Move your mind all over the body, from head to feet, feet to head. And watch your breathing. So the breath make a journey to your body. You feel air is going every part of the body, and releasing air from every part of the body. Feel subtle vibration in your body. Only observe, don't involve. Allow to relax. You feel your whole body from head to feet, feet to head is going to be relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. You feel your whole body is going to be relaxed. All the muscles and ligaments of your body are going to be relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. You feel your whole body is relaxed. You realize all the muscles and ligaments of your body are relaxed. Relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. You realize from head to feet, feet to head, all muscles and ligaments are relaxed. Concentrate your mind at your abdomen, and you feel you are breathing through the abdomen. Feel subtle vibration of breathing at the abdomen. Feel movement of the abdomen. Concentrate your mind at your chest, on the breathing. You feel you are breathing through the chest. Concentrate your mind at the nose, on the breathing. You feel you are breathing through the nose. Very subtle vibration at the nostrils. You feel air is going automatic and coming automatic through the nostrils, through the nose. Just observe. Observe your breathing at nose. You feel you are breathing only through the nose. Very slow, very slowly. Concentrate your mind between eyebrow and meditate. In beginning, you will see the darkness. Try to get the shining color from the darkness and meditate. Meditate on the color. You can see color like sun rising color, red flower color, yellow flower color, color of grass, green grass leaves, color like blue flower and white color like white flower, white yogurt, white milk. Now you are meditating on the color. You feel calm, energized, and free from all stress, strain, negativities. You feel all the negativities are gone. You feel happy and blissful. You feel you are a conscious body. You are not the body. It is your body. You are separate from the body. Your conscious body, you are always unchanged, constant. Consciousness never change. All the changing in the body. You are a conscious body, always happy, always energized, free from all the difficulties, all the problems. You are beyond the body. You are separate from the body. Concentrate your mind at the nose and you feel you are breathing through the nose. Concentrate at chest, and you feel you are breathing through the chest. At the abdomen, you feel you are breathing through the abdomen. Make a journey to your body through your breathing. Move all over the body and go inside through the breath, all over the body inside. Feel relaxed, calm, and joyful. Move your fingers. Come left side, left lateral, and with the help of your arm, come in sitting position. Maintain your eyes closed. Listen the sound. Akhandamandalakaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Ajnanatimidandhasya jnananjano shalakaya chakshurunmilitam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. ओंकार बिंदु संयुक्तम नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव. ओंकाराय नमो नमः. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतंजलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मि. अयं निजः परो वेत्ति गणना लघुचेतसाम् उदारचरितानां तु वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. Everyone speak. Everyone repeat. Asato ma, asato ma, satgamaya,
satgamaya,
tamaso ma,
tamaso ma,
jyotirgamaya,
jyotirgamaya,
mrityorma,
mrityorma,
amritam gamaya.
amritam gamaya.
Shanti,
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 Shanti.
Shanti.
Om. peace inside and outside your body. Try to maintain this peace in whole your life. Do friction with your palm, eye palming, put your eyeball, open your eye under your palm, give massage to the nose. In the last massage is very important. Eyebrow, temporal, ear, and with the palm, all the face, open your posture, all over the body. This massage friction will help to open the pores, release the toxins, and maintain the circulation. Abdomen, circular, chest towards up, and all over the body. As possible, back. Okay? You want to say something?
Thank you.
It's good?
Yes, it's good. Thank you.
You did? Did you do?
Yes.
Very good. So, in the last, salutation is important. Like this. Inhale. Salute the nature, the Almighty. Connect yourself to the universal consciousness. Exhale. Salute your parents, your elders, your master. Forgive and forget anyone who did something wrong in your life. And thanks to them, anyone who did something good in your life. Namaste.
Namaste.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you very much to join us. You want to ask some question? You can ask. Okay, good.